In this video I will show you how to vacuum your AC system and re-added gas into your car AC system. Hello guys, how are you today? In this video I will show how to vacuum your AC system and how to add gas into your system. Simply see, you should have gauge like this. By this gauge you can know your system is vacuumed or not. So here you have, and you need also pump, just vacuum pump. So first things, you see in this cap the below pipe right low. So here also you have 2 letter LH. So you should open low, and you have low, can put, okay, that's it. And also this one, it's high, the red one. So our system is close. So the yellow pipe, that's this one, it's going to vacuum pump. Yeah. So now our system is ready to vacuum. So what I will do, I will turn on vacuum pipe pump. Yeah. So now it's working. See what I will do now, I will open low. See now it's vacuuming. High by same way. So this one you should all of them open. Then now pump is working. Now it's vacuum. It see the gauge erase. See it's coming down. It's coming down. What I will do, I will let pumps turn on for like half hours. So now guys, our system, like you can say, totally it is vacuumed. So now what I will do, just I need to be sure I don't have any leaking from my AC system. So what I will do, I will just close both head of this hose. So and I will wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I wait for nearly 50 minutes. Gauge is not moved, still in same place. So this means I don't have any leak from my system. So now what I will do, I will just remove this both hose. So both of them, yeah. Now added gas into system. Before I do that, most of cars they put label about air condition. So it mention here HFC, so 134A. So it's same gas 134I. That's correct. And they give you a range how much you should put into it. So between 60 to 80 OZ ons. Here each can of this, it's 12 ons. I mean I need 1.5 of 1 can and half to put gas into my system. So I will show you how we put gas into system. Before I put gas, I should shake for a while to mix between oil and gas. So I will do shaking. So now what I will do, I put cap, and that's the gauge I have. Now what I will do, I will add it gas. This one I'm going to blue. So I should shake it a little. That's the now guys, I will turn on car and turn AC on. Then I'll put more gas. Oh, so I see it's on. So just I will going to add it more gas. The gate comes down. Compressor is working. Now just one can is finished, so I will add it another can. That's why, because I need 16 to 18 ounce, so I should put another can of gas. Still ingredients. That's enough. So now my compressor is working. So I'll turn that again. Okay. Going to inside. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's cold.